Sounds are a mystery. And that's not all. Sound is also an instrument of war. The Bible told us in 2 Chronicles chapter 20 that 3 kingdoms rose up against a king called Jehoshaphat, the king of Judah. There was no military strategy that would work. And what did God tell them? The Lord told them to get singers. This one is not weapons of war. Arrows will fail you. Bows will fail you. Get psalmists who can pipe into Zion, because I'm about to set a trap to the enemy. What happened? The Bible said in verse 20 to 22, as they began to sing, nothing happened until they sang. As they began to sing, it said the Lord set ambushment, and suddenly the enemies began to fight themselves. So apart from mobilizing spirit, is a weapon that confuses Satan. It's a weapon that confuses the camp of the enemy. When we sing here, we must have understanding. It's not about voice, it's a weapon. See, some of you can release something stronger than an atomic bomb. Some of you can release something stronger than a missile. When you release some sounds from your spirit, you have set a trap. You have released a weapon. It can scatter the adversary. So when you study sound in scriptures, you will discover that in the Bible is 3 categories of people who sang.